The child in me is very excited to pop this. I make videos on things that make me happy. So today we're going to talk about things that I got for the kitchen, for a little organization here and there, and all of them were under $5. That's like 500 shillings and below. The first thing that I got was this jar, these 2-liter jars. Each was going for 210. And then I also got this jar that I'm using for, these are cotton buds, and it's a smaller version of this. So yeah, this was going for 50 shillings. I got it along Dubois Road, Dubois, potato in Kenya. So this was going for 50 shillings. I got 2 pieces, so that was 100 bob. And it has a kifuniko. I just can't find it right now. And then these were going for 210 shillings. These are 2-liter jars. And I'm going to use these ones to store rice, cereals, and all those good things. So yeah, this I got from a shop on Dubois Road, on Axar House. I'm hoping that's how it's pronounced. And the simplest directions I can give is, when you're on the side where there are Meru, Chuka, matatus or buses, there's a white building. So as you face Odeon, your barabara ikona Odeon, on this side, it's called Axar House. And once you spot the building, the shop is right there. Ukienda kwa hiyo building, utakuwa unaiona ndio hii. So you just enter, you'll find so many storage containers of many sizes and many shapes and for different capacity. So do visit them and get them. If you're in Mombasa, I also saw Nawal Center has them, and they have a variety more than what I saw in that shop in Nairobi. So the second thing that I got from the same shop were these storage containers. This one was going for 90 shillings. That's the bigger one. And this one, which has cookies, was going for 60 shillings. So I bought a couple of these for different purposes. This one can store food. You can see mine has cookies, for example. There's one I used to store medicine in the medicine cabinet and all that. The other item that I got was this jar. It's plastic and it's for the fridge. They actually had labeled it fridge something. This is good. You can store your fruit juices in the fridge. It fits perfectly and I like it. It was going for 350 something at ShopRite. I got it from the ShopRite at Garden City Mall along Thika Road. So I can't wait to pop these things. Anyway, that's beside the point. So these are the jars I got. These ones. I got these two. And they have a rubber, something that's, I think that's to make them airtight. And I got these for sugar because, well, my sugar has been living in the bag it comes in or in a cup. The ghetto, I know. So yeah, I got these from Tax Store in Garden City as well. They were going for 310 shillings. Yeah. So yeah, this is it. This is the size. And I think they will be good for the sugar. I'll show you how I use them in the kitchen. We are going to do a little organization and remove the other containers and whatevers and store this how we want them to look. So this is what we use in our kitchen. Everything before the use of these containers. I've washed these wine glasses
which are supposed to go there. I've also washed these mugs. Yeah, they will go up there. And this is also something that's under $5 that I got on Dubois Road, where I got these jars. So let's do this. Under 500 bob, available at House of. This is the final look. The glasses and mugs at the top, all the other items at the bottom, the glass jars, the snacks. These are some extras, extra sugar.
That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. Comment down below on places where you can get containers, whether for fairer prices, where if you're in a different location, maybe you're going to plug other people from your location, or where I could get more items for kitchen storage. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. I know. That's basically it for today's video. I'll show you how I use them in the kitchen. We are going to do a little organization and remove the other containers and whatevers and store this how we want them to look. So yeah.